Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. It is Throwback Thursday, so I have used my rectangle stitched dies for this, and I'm also using the birthday wishes from the Simply Said stamp set, which is on the last chance or it is now retired. So this one is in Lost Lagoon, and I cut this out with one of the dies as well, but it really kind of shrunk it down a little bit. But I cut this out, and then I cut out the center, which I don't still have the piece of, but I cut out the center, and then I cut another piece out in basic white, and this piece is dimensionalized, this piece is not. So it kind of sinks down, this creates a frame. I'm going to do the opposite thing on this card. I am going to just dimensionalize the center over top, and then again use those array of dots. And this is the array of dots, but I colored the green ones with a dark Lost Lagoon blend just to make them match. So we need to have, we've got our, this is Strawberry Slush, we've got our Strawberry Slush card base. I've got a 5 1/4 by 4 piece of the basic white. I am going to ink up my stamp. And we don't need, when we're inking, we don't need to push right down. You can see I've got some shadows of the Strawberry Slush from before. I was really pushing down with the ink. Just tap it, and that will also help you not get those little kind of bleed over pieces. So I'm going to take this, and we're going to drop this down. And I might be a little bit shy on the bottom here, but we'll see when we pull this off. I'm just going to grab this piece of paper again, hold it with one hand, and then kind of just lightly press. You don't need to really push, because then you could, if you have inked it up a lot, you could end up with that little bit over. Okay, so that's actually pretty good. I didn't miss too badly on that. The edge is a little bit plain, but I'm not going to worry about that at all. So this is super quick. You've inked it up. You're going to put it down. Again, this is 5 1/4 by 4 on a standard North American card base. Equal top, bottom, and side. Drop it down. There's our card. We're going to pop this in the middle like this, and then we're going to add some of those array of dots. You could put, if you wanted to put ribbon on the back of this, you absolutely could. If you wanted to use linen thread, you could. But for this one, I'm just showing the difference between raising the front and raising and countersinking the greeting, where this one we are raising the greeting. Okay, so we've got birthday wishes, and let's just pop these down here. I'm going to use the medium size ones on this one, I think. Just pop one up there like that. One over here like this. And then I'm just going to do another one down here like this. Okay, so super simple. Stamp, adhere, do your greeting. So we've got Lost Lagoon and we've got Strawberry Slush. So you tell me which one you prefer and what colors you would like this done in, and whether you prefer the raised greeting or the raised frame. So thank you so much for watching, and let's create together again soon.